In the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle, many people turn to foods that are low in carbohydrates and free of added sugars. These foods can help manage weight, control blood sugar levels, and improve overall health. Below are 7 of the healthiest foods that contain no carbs and no sugar, perfect for those looking to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. 1. Avocados. Avocados are a unique fruit that are naturally low in carbohydrates and sugar-free. They are packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Avocados also provide a good amount of fiber, vitamins, such as vitamin K, vitamin E, and B vitamins, and minerals like potassium. Their creamy texture makes them a versatile addition to salads, smoothies, or as a spread. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and is renowned for its numerous health benefits. It contains no carbohydrates or sugars and is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Olive oil is also high in antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect the body against oxidative damage. Use olive oil as a dressing for salads, drizzling over vegetables, or in cooking. 3. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein and contain zero carbs or sugars. They are rich in essential nutrients such as choline, which is vital for brain health, and various B vitamins, including B12 and riboflavin. Eggs also contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which promote eye health. They can be enjoyed in numerous ways, from boiled and scrambled to poached or as part of an omelet. 4. Fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are highly nutritious and free of carbs and sugars. They are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. These fish also provide high-quality protein, vitamins D and B12, and selenium. Including fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week can contribute significantly to overall health. 5. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutrient powerhouses with minimal carbohydrates and no sugars. They are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with folate, iron, and calcium. These greens also contain various antioxidants that help protect against chronic diseases. Enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or lightly sautéed as a side dish. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Nuts and seeds are excellent low-carb, sugar-free snacks that provide a wealth of nutrients. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are particularly notable for their healthy fats, fiber, and protein content. They also contain important minerals such as magnesium and phosphorus, as well as antioxidants like vitamin E. Sprinkle them on yogurt, add to smoothies, or enjoy as a portable snack. 7. Meat and poultry. Lean meats and poultry are fundamental sources of protein without any carbohydrates or sugars. Options like chicken breast, turkey, and lean cuts of beef or pork provide essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance and overall health. They are also rich in B vitamins, iron, and zinc. Opt for grilled, baked, or roasted preparations to maintain their health benefits. Incorporating these 7 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar into your diet can greatly enhance your nutritional intake and support a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Whether you're aiming to manage your weight, stabilize blood sugar levels, or simply eat more nutritiously, these foods offer a wide range of health benefits without the drawbacks of added sugars or excessive carbohydrates. Enjoy the versatility and nutritional richness they bring to your meals.